Hi folks, only a really short one for you this week because there's really not a lot of progress that we've made this week. Basically we found a lot of rust in the front cowl. So basically all we've done this weekend is we've taken the front cowl corner off, and then we found in through here there was absolutely nothing left. There was none of the air ducting for the air vent. That was replaced with fiberglass matting of some kind, and it was really poorly done. So Dylan spent all day cutting the fiberglass out and what was remaining of the air vent. After he cut this cowl off, we've replaced it with metal, left the air vent ducting out of it. We're just going to seal it all up solid, and it's all in epoxy etch prime now. So this week we're going to go through and repair this before we put it back on, and then we'll weld that back in through there and seal it all up. I'll show you the other side because this is the side I thought was the good side. But over here seems to be a little bit more solid. Although once we get back inside there, I dare say there'll be exactly the same thing under that. So again, what we're going to do is we're going to remove from there through down to the front, take this whole piece off, and by what we found inside the other side, we're going to have to then make the inner floor, seal that in through there, and fish oil and rust proof that, seal it all up, build the lower section of here again, and then re-weld that back on there. And then once that's done, hopefully we can get on to the rest of it. So basically for now, that's all we've got for you this week. Really short, sorry, but like I said, Dylan's got a fair bit of work done there. Doesn't look like a huge lot of progress, but it's all sealed up now. Thanks. Bye.